Hi again, it's Catherine here. Thanks for checking out my video. And today I just want to give you a few details about the Manifestation Miracle Program by Heather Mathews. Just in case you're not sure what the program is all about, it is a step-by-step guide that gives you the information you need to manifest anything you want into your life. This program is a tool that will teach you how to find success in your career, business, and relationships. The program is full of practical instructions and techniques that are designed to help you raise the pitch of your energetic vibrations. The program gives you tips on how to supercharge your power of manifestation. Manifestation Miracle is a complete step-by-step manual that contains everything you need in order to help you find a way to draw in success and abundance. This program is crammed full of cutting-edge psychological tools and powerful techniques and helps you trigger the results that you want. The Manifestation Miracle Program is designed to help you attract more money and abundance in your life. The whole secret consists of just one vital key, which is destiny tuning. This is the missing ingredient to the law of attraction. This method is based on setting your mind to send positive vibrations to the universe. The point is that you need to speak the same language in which the universe does, and this means you need to talk to the universe using vibrations. Manifestation Miracle comes as a digital manual, videos, and MP3s that you can instantly download. If you check out the links below this video, you can learn more by watching the video by Heather Mathews. Also, if you click the links below, you can get yourself a free meditation MP3 audio track and a manifestation breakthrough kit.